Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Bluetooth issues on your Windows 11 computer. So if your Bluetooth is not working, go ahead down to the Start menu, right click on it, and then go to Device Manager. So under Device Manager, you should have a Bluetooth icon. Now if you do not have a Bluetooth icon, what you're going to need to do is find the model number of your computer and then go to your web browser. For instance, if I had a Dell Inspiron 8700, I would need to go to type that into Google and then type in Bluetooth driver. Oops. Man, I can't type today. And then I'm going to see right here, support under Dell.com, and you're just going to need to download the drivers for your Bluetooth. Now let's say you do have Bluetooth here. What you're going to want to do is click on the X button for every single one of these. And you want to make sure that you remove the driver for them as well. So as you can see, completely gone. After this is done, you're just going to want to restart your computer and see if that fixes the problem. If that still doesn't fix the problem, you're either going to have a hardware device, you're going to need to get a little USB dongle, Bluetooth receiver for your computer, or your computer doesn't offer Bluetooth, which in that case you'll still need a Bluetooth adapter. So if I just go here and type in on Amazon, I'll have a link to this down below. But as you can see, they're not very expensive. They're only $14. So I hope this video helps you. Have a good day. Bye.